Hello people and welcome back to Maxi channel, a channel that features some of the most exciting and epic biker moments ever recorded on their camera. From close calls to road rage, and even more crazy scenes await you in today's episode, so make sure to sit tight for this one. Without any further ado, let's get this episode underway. Unfortunately, most of the drivers these days behave like this guy here. Instead of admitting their own mistake, they try to push the blame on others. Biker was just minding his own business and riding around through this park, but apparently this angry Karen had an issue with that, and she splashed him. But boy oh boy, wait till you see how he retaliated.
Oh! Now you f***ed up!
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would...
Biker was just minding his own business and enjoying a nice ride, but all of a sudden, he came across an angry guy who got upset because the biker filtered past him. The situation started to go from bad to worse once the driver pulled up to the biker and told him to calm down.
What up? You said, huh? What up? Who is you? Who is you? Who are you?
It's called real life. Better see the light fast part. Real life. It don't cost nothing, just a blast. Real life.
After a while of arguing at a traffic stop, the biker moved on, but he couldn't just leave without flipping the driver off. Of course, that move angered the driver even more, and he started tailgating the biker. And this is where things are about to get exciting.
You will? With a little white in there. Come on, bro. Come here, cuz. What's wrong with him? Hopped on the sidewalk on. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, dude. What's wrong with him? I try to turn around.
Driver made a sharp turn to the right, trying to purposely hit the biker, but luckily he failed.
Around, you hear me? No. Broke mirror. Yeah. I can't even go. I need gas and everything. I gotta go.
This thief tried to steal this bike on a couple of occasions, and unfortunately for him, he failed on every single one of them. Of course, the biker reported the case to the cops every single time, and the thieves nearly got arrested. This right here is an act of revenge to the biker. This cyclist noticed a lady in a wheelchair desperately trying to catch a bus, but unfortunately, the bus driver was not so patient and he couldn't wait for her. Of course, the cyclist tried to make things right and he started chasing down the bus driver. Check out this amazing situation.
Hey! 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 Hey, go! Hey! I'll go get it. Hey. Hey, hey, get a lady coming in a wheelchair. The wheelchair lady. She yelling. Where'd she go? I don't see her. She's still back there?
Believe it or not, but even after the interaction with the cyclist, the bus driver still refused to stop and wait for her. Now, I have a feeling that he's doing this on purpose, and he's not setting a great example for his company.
I'll try again. Hey, she back there screaming, help! Hello?
No matter the situation or the strict company rules, he could have waited for her simply because that would be a humane act and a random act of kindness. He will not lose anything by waiting for 10 to 15 seconds more, but it would mean a lot to the lady who was screaming from the top of her lungs.
Get away screaming, wait! Wait!
I can't pass. I wait for too long. Yeah, wait.
Fair enough.
I'm not to wait. I waited too long.
Hey, we'll see what the company policy is. I don't care. She the one screaming back there in a wheelchair. Hey, do you want me to go wheel her up faster?
No.
You should have been on the bus by now. You waited the light instead of picking her up. She's screaming twice. 10 feet. That got mirrors. You use those? That's okay. Camera's listening. Tell her what you want.
I gotta do what I want to do. I want to do.
Understood.
Okay?
I'll let her know.
If it comes to move on, that's what I gotta do.
I'll go let her know and I'll send her the video. You got it. To him, I got him on video. I'll send you the video of him refusing. I told him you were 10 feet away screaming. He's stuck at the light. You might still catch him. That's why I argued him. I say, you waited here this long, stuck at the light. You could have just picked her up by now.
Hello! Hello!
What? Do you want me to send you this video? Okay, I'm gonna call them to complain for sure. I'm gonna send it to them. Let them know. They can see the whole thing. They saw me come up, you yelling, me speaking to him and letting him know several times. His excuse was, I gotta do what they tell me to do. They don't tell you to pick people up who's standing here screaming at you? I was like, did you want me to go push her, make it go faster? She's a goddamn wheelchair. What do you want, guy? I'm sorry. He upset me too. I'll cut this out and send it to him for sure, because that's. I'm sorry. Have a better day.
Pay close attention at his driver coming from the left side. He had a stop sign, but he blew it and he nearly caused a heavy wreck on the road.
Caralho! Já começou o vídeo como? Quem tá errado, rapaziada? Ô, o cara é maluco, né? Eu tinha acabado de colocar a câmera pra gravar. Doideira, mano.
Instead of giving way to the right at the roundabout, this crazy driver pulled out in front of the biker without considering to turn his head and look. If we see reckless driving by police officers like this, there is nothing we can expect from other riders and drivers to behave better in traffic. After all, cops are among the first who are supposed to set a great example for the rest to follow.
Понесем салют. Что? Складник. Так.
Biker got nearly hit by a crazy tractor driver who was changing lanes left and right without indicating nor bothering to look at his mirrors.
Oh, bro. Nice. What the f are you doing, bro? Wait, let's go, knek. Knek, Jan.
Overtaking at a sharp corner is something we will never advise you to do, especially if it's a truck that you're overtaking. That's way too risky and dangerous.
Mare, kimuś medal vrem asea cinonă.
BMW driver was not indicating, not to mention checking his side mirrors, and he nearly caused an accident. To make the situation even worse, he didn't even notice what he did when the biker pulled up to him.
Neșit knei povici.
A?
Zek neșit atje po shkoj.
Kush?
Ti?
Ka do bëj balite.
Ka merr kam, ta di.
Ani çka godar?
Ani.
Situations like this one can be really scary, and the only thing we would advise you to be as calm as possible and pull over quickly and get rid of the wasp.
Wait. Oh, mother bee, bro.
These two drivers entered the wrong way, and of course they thought they could get away easily with that, but not on this biker's watch. He made sure to make them reverse all the way back. This has got to be one of the riskiest overtakes ever recorded and caught on camera.
Pas terrible ça. Aïe 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 aïe. Oh là 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 là, la grande merde là. Putain, ça, non. Le petit gosse, on s'en interdit. On se laisse calmer les vélos là. Wow wow wow. Ah c'est bon.
Pay close attention at the driver on the right side of the biker. He's in a right turn lane, and the biker didn't expect him to indicate left and move there after the lights turned green. With this clip, we conclude yet another episode on Maxi channel. I hope you guys enjoyed watching and learning something out of all the mistakes you saw. After all, these clips serve as a means of learning and bettering yourselves as drivers or riders. If you like this type of content, make sure to leave a like because it would mean a lot to us. While you're at it, subscribe and click on the bell button. And until the next episode, ride safe and take care.